Ford rehires more than 300 human engineers after they fired them.
Cmd+AI.
Because they thought AI can do their job, and then they figured AI could not actually do their job, so now they are rehiring them. And the memes, as you can imagine, have been really good. You could not live with your own failure, and where did that bring you? Back to me. So yeah, those engineers walking back into the headquarters. And so basically what is really funny is like the meme saying like those engineers that now know they even AI cannot beat them, how they will be. It is funny. Just a fever that the entire industry is going through, which is let's fire everybody because AI can do it all, and then finding out that actually you need, even with AI, you need somebody who knows what they are doing in order to do anything. So
I have my skepticism about the fact that this is on Polywagon, and I don't like the fact they called them 300 veteran human engineers. Gosh. So I have just done a little quick Google, and yeah, like Guardian have reported on it as well. Return of the greybeards, they call it. So yeah, it looks like it's definitely a thing. That, yeah. Thing is, as well, I wonder if there's more to it, and that, like, you know, maybe they got admin or marketing to do their engineering, you know, or whether they just, because you still, as we've said a million times, that you still need someone to manage the agent who knows what they're doing. You know,
yeah,
you might be able to 5-10x the work, you know, but you still need engineers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we move on to Sonnet?
Yes.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.